Hi guys, today I'm going to be opening this L.O.L surprise doll, O.M.G. Her name is Uptown Girl. And in the back, here are the collectibles on the bottom. Downtown BB, Uptown Girl, 24K DJ. And now we will be opening all 20 surprises in the box. This is how Uptown Girl is supposed to look. So this is Uptown Girl's fitting room. It has her little sister painted on the front. And here are some drawings. And here's her big arrow mirror that is very cool. And here we can see a few things painted on here. Okay guys, we will start opening all the 20 surprises one by one. Okay guys, so here are Uptown Girl's 6.5 shoes, our high heels. Also, this is Uptown Girl's pretty shade of blue, golden skirt. Here's Uptown Girl's amazing looking coat with little buttons. These are Uptown Girl's amazing white pearled glasses. O.M.G, here is Uptown Girl's Chanel little waist bag. Wow, here is Uptown Girl's other handbag with white hair and her little body and the sunglasses. Here's a look inside with the golden chain. Girl's comb to comb her fuzzy hair. Here's Uptown Girl's magazine, and inside it says that she is Libra. Here's Uptown Girl's little container to put accessories and other things inside. Uptown Girl's amazing pearl looking pins that say Vast Queen. Here's the bottom of the standard, and in the bottom you should see another piece for Uptown Girl's seating booth. You take it out, we put the long stick in here. We put the seating booth down here. And we put the top here. Standard is so you can sit down any doll you want and collect them all. The moment you've been all waiting for. O.M.G, here is Uptown Girl with her awesome pink hair that's cotton candy looking. Here are her earrings with little bows. Here is her black big bow with her lips and her dark blue eyes and her nails. She also has this adorable black pantyhose. Girl will be in her fitting room to dress up. Now the big moment you've all been waiting for. Uptown Girl with all her outfit and her accessories. Put on her shoes, her little bags, her sunglasses. So guys, this is how Uptown Girl is supposed to look like when you sit her down with their little seating booth, like I told you, to collect them all. If you guys enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys! Bye!